anyway.
I don't think so.
But I don't know if that's going to be good for the bags. Why are you looking at me, Fred? Fred's very nervous in the car.
Yeah, he's gonna throw up soon.
But he's more nervous about being left alone.
I don't actually think so.
Probably not. But he's okay. Aren't you?
When you wanna come, relax, don't do it.
Why do you
When
have to...
you wanna come, do it. What?
So, you can probably see... Well, you can't see, that's the whole point. There's like clouds. Oh, forget it. Okay, so we thought we were going to build anyway, but we don't think it's a good idea with it being so wet. I don't know what effect that's going to have on the bags. Probably would be alright, but we're not in a position to dry everything off really easily. And
No. And I quoted Sound of Music, so Zoe ended the last video in a huff.
no, I was just resisting the beeper, the sound bleeper. I love these rocks. I wish they weren't covered in graffiti.
It's actually getting worse.
Yeah, it is. We're actually driving into a storm. So whether we actually get to Walmart, I'm not so sure about. There might be flooding at the bottom of some of the big hills that we have to go down, so...
Oh, you gotta show him that.
Yeah, I will. This is kind of nasty, look at it. You can actually see where we're going.
We're just following this road, babe.
Well, I hope I get my yarn. The lady who Shaylee is staying with is, wow, look at that. It looks like the Hound of the Baskervilles over there. Isn't it?
Yeah. You guys want to hear the noise Zoe hates?
Oh, Granddad driving. He does it all the time when he's too busy being funny or looking in the wrong direction.
Too busy being funny.
Yeah.
That's my middle name.
Yeah, the lady who Shay's staying with has asked me to make her the blanket that Roseanne has on the back of her sofa through every single episode, just about. It's a very iconic crochet blankie. So, I'm more than happy to do it. I had a look and found the pattern's really easy. It's just granny squares. So, but I don't have a lot of the colours. I've got lots of colours I can make it, but to make it kind of authentic, I want to get some extra little colours in there. So that's why we're going to Walmart. And an excuse because we're kind of cold and miserable and can't do any building, so. When we get home, we're going to have to put like the awning over the generator, so we put that on because there is literally, as you can see, no sunshine coming through. So that's it. Is there anything else you want to say, babe? Is the road coming up?
Well, we have to go over this, go on a curve, go down, and then go up.
Okay, so I'll come back. Okay, so we thought we'd share with you this awesome road experience that Shay absolutely hates.
She hates it.
She hates it, and we love it.
Well, I've never loved it in the rain before.
No, let's see how it goes.
Is this guy on a skateboard? Oh no, it's a bike. What the hell's wrong with me?
I don't know.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Just be careful.
Here we go, everybody. Does it look as scary?
No.
It probably doesn't. Yeah, this ain't nothing right now.
Yeah. That was a bit of an anticlimax, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah.
But you can see where people go dirt biking and stuff.
Oh, right there's flooded.
Yeah.
There's another one coming up that's not as steep, but it's lower down.
Oh, these dogs are hopeless.
Yeah.
Fred's an absolute nervous wreck. Shall I stop it again, or are you going?
Well, no, I actually wanted to say a little something.
Oh.
A little something, something.
Okay.
So coming up right here, we actually, the first place we looked at out here was right here. And we probably, it would have been nice. We would have been saving money on gas.
We would have been saving money on gas, but we would have been amongst people more.
Yeah. But right
It's a lot
here,
more.
this is the gas station.
Yeah.
And so this is where I spend a lot of time. And there's the $5 pizza place.
Yeah, that's
there.
where the pizza place is.
That's where I get the propane. And that's where I take our recycling.
Yeah, so he spends a lot of time there.
Yeah.
And there's the feed store. Coming up, we have the beautiful Joshua Tree Forest.
I don't know if it's really called a forest, but I call it a forest.
I know.
Look at all this stuff.
I know, there's all sorts of cool stuff. See how low the cloud is? It's crazy. It's a big one. Yeah, there's not many of these around, is there?
No,
All protected.
I wish there was more.
I know.
Like when we were first talking about coming down here, all I wanted was a yucca plant and a Joshua tree.
I know.
That was like my go-to thing, but I traded him in for Crom.
Well-
Baby.
Look at this. I love this bit of road.
Yeah, this is the cool part.
Look at particularly
I think there was a fire
Jurassic Park
over here.
today. Do you not think it looks Jurassic Park? I do.
I don't know, you always say things look like Jurassic Park.
Because I just feel like it does. It's like a prehistoric landscape.
And then I start doing the humming, but then I get the song wrong, and then you get mad, and then we argue about what song I'm actually humming.
Babe, that's when people start logging off.
What?
Just saying.
That's not true at all. People love my.
No, some people do, but that's something you maybe need to do for the live stream. Oh, is this the other
yeah,
hill
this
bit?
is the other one.
Yeah, you can't tell at all.
What?
Maybe you can when you're watching it back, but
It doesn't look that bad when you watch it on a video.
No.
Is this wet? Ice.
ice.
Baby. Too cold.
Glad you're here, guys, because this would be just my experience. Oh, yeah, with the pretty forest bit.
We're out of the pretty forest bit. Now we're moving into the fancy hills
I
where
love.
all the fancy houses are.
Yeah, I love that bit. We've shown them that before.
I just don't know why people would pay money, like ridiculous amounts of money, to get a brand new house right on top of somebody else in the middle of the desert with nothing else around. It like doesn't make any sense.
Because they've got enough money to have a pool and to have a beautiful house. It's just like living anywhere else.
I know, but wouldn't you want to live somewhere else?
I don't know. I find that I love the rocks coming down into Yucca. It's very like,
Well, I know, but like I wouldn't want to live right on top of somebody.
no.
That was what we were talking about when we were looking at Joshua Tree.
I wanted to, I know, you didn't like it. I like the rockiness, the rocky formations, but now I'm thinking it's probably a lot easier where we are. You know?
Well, I think the only real problem we would have had with rocks is rattlesnakes.
Yeah. But I don't know if there will be a lot around if it's like a built up area like that. I don't think they'll get
We had them at my mom's.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, actually, I don't know how many they have now. We had them a lot when we first moved there because it was a new community.
That's what I mean. I think they probably would start thinking there's too many people around here. I'm just gonna skedaddle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nina, you can't get into my coat. Stop. You two are very stinky. You've got stinky breath. Okay, I'm stopping for a bit.
Back to the library.
A lot. I thought I didn't want to bore everybody filming the same, but this is like, these are really big Joshua trees out here. Maybe it's just because we're closer to them.
No. These are big. For sure.
It's like that Father Ted. For the last time, Dougal, these are toys. Those are far away. I don't know if he says toys, because he has like a little plastic cow and he can't get his head around the fact that they're like little, because they're in the distance.
Yeah.
And these are ones that like, oh, get it.
Well, there goes the copyright strike.
We'll edit that bit out. Now these are the houses, look.
The estate. See, that's the roof I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know.
Like
I like those.
A Pueblo roof.
I like those. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought Fred was puking. Are you being sick? Oh.
Yep. Fred, swallow it.
Are you okay? Good
Yeah.
boy.
It's like second breakfast.
Good boy. You didn't puke. And those big ones on the top. Wow. I've never seen it like this out here. A rainy day in the desert, Fred. I just love all these rocks.
We actually probably would have been able to get a well a lot cheaper when we came out here.
Yeah.
This is usually a really good view. Can't see nothing right now.
Just a very sicky little dog. Oh dear, that was a big sigh. You're okay. You're okay, big fella.
And
yeah.
this is the Valley of the Yucca.
Looking very different today than it usually does.
Yeah.
Quite a special landscape, I think.
Yeah.
Fred, stop thinking, you're okay. Good boy. Stop thinking. Hey, what a good boy. Okay. Babe.
Oh, are we videoing? I was posing for a still shot.
Okay, so we got some yarn, but we also got, which I don't know if we can get yet, another little dog sweater for Fred. I don't know. I'm going to have to try and find some lilac, but I'm getting sidetracked. Oh, look at that little cute planter there. That's adorable.
Is that a llama?
Yes. Babe, that's adorable. And look at that.
SpongeBob's house. Babe.
Yeah.
Babe.
What? What?
Babe.
Embarrassing.
Alright, bye.
Stop. Okay. We're heading back. Successful trip to Walmart. I got all sorts of wool. We survived. We got chicken jerky for the dogs. Lots of wool. I'm very happy I can sit now and crochet.
And Fred didn't puke.
Fred didn't puke, but he pooped. But that's okay, because there's no seats or anything in the back. But look, this is the best acquisition. Fred's got a little trash panda sweater. Good boy. How handsome are you? Oh, look at him. He's just adorable. Yes. Good boy. I know. Nina's got her little sweater on.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was going to be bad.
What?
Remember when the car splashed a bunch of water on us and we couldn't see and it got
Yeah, that was
scary?
scary.
Yeah. thought it was going to happen again, and it didn't.
Oh, okay.
Good
So,
story.
good story, babe.
Yeah.
So now we're heading back. We're going to stop and fax some stuff. Yep, I said fax.
Yeah.
Apparently, we got a time machine back to the 80s.
No, I think mid-90s.
Mid-90s,
Yeah.
okay. But yeah, we have to fax something, so that was interesting. If you can see, still, it's not raining at the minute as bad, is it? It's eased up a little
It's
bit.
not raining at all right now.
But the clouds are very low.
Hanging on the boulevard.
Look at this handsome chap, and warm as well. Good boy.
You look amazing.
Yes, he does. Still anxious, but warm and anxious
Yeah.
instead of chilly. Good boy.